Everyone, Chris here from Tire Supply Network, and I am excited to announce our newest product line, Safety Seal Emergency Plug Kits. If you're not familiar with Safety Seal, they're made in the USA, high-quality emergency puncture kits. Let's take a further, deeper dive into them. To my right, your left, is the KAP60. That's the model number. It has 60 4-inch long string plugs. It has a super nice high-quality T-handle, split eye needle and spiral probe, and a little tube of lube to push those string plugs through. I can tell you what I did with my very own personal KTP60 is throw it in my off-road recovery bag. With 60 plugs, you can really bail yourself or anybody else out of a jam. Front and center is the KAB30. The B is for bag. 30 is the quantity of 4-inch long string plugs you get. It has the same split eye needle and spiral probe and the same little tub of lube, and a nice canvas bag that you can put under your seat and stows away very nicely. Okay, I really want to emphasize how nice these tools actually are. These are built to last, and this might be the last one you ever have to buy. This is a super nice spiral probe, made in the USA, super heavy duty handle, and here's the inferior overseas model. It feels okay, but it doesn't feel as great as this. This is really, really nice. With my very own personal KAB30, I threw it in the back of my Subaru. To my left, your right, is the KTP. Last but not least, this is 8-inch long string plugs meant for heavy duty truck tires, motorhome tires, stuff like that. It has a little bit longer, but same high quality split eye needle and spiral probe, same tube of lube, and like I said, 30 of these little 8-inch long string plugs. And with our own KTP, we threw it in our company's delivery box truck. So those are just part numbers and specs. These are emergency plug kits, and if you don't know how to use one in an emergency, you're SOL. Let me show you how to use them. Before I get roasted in the comments, we know this tire is old. This is a demo tire. This is older than some of you guys watching. This is strictly for demonstration purposes only, okay? Okay, we have located the puncture, aka injury, hole, whatever, okay? We found it. We're gonna take our T-handle spiral probe. We're gonna ream it out. The purpose of this is to give you a nice uniform hole for the string plug. It takes a little bit of muscle, but good thing I got a lot of muscle. Okay, it's all the way through, and then we're gonna wiggle it back out. There we go. So that reamed the hole with the spiral probe. Okay, now that we reamed our hole, we're gonna take our 4-inch made in the USA Safety Seal string plug kit. I'm gonna take one out. Set that aside. Now we're going to thread the needle here, literally. Pull that through, kind of wiggle, halfway through there, halfway through the split eye needle. Now you're going to take it and shove it through the hole. Now, Evan, come over here. Let's get a close-up of this. This is how it's supposed to look. Halfway through, on the right and the left. You just thread that through there. Okay? It will make sense once you actually have the kit in your hand. Okay, next step is going to be using our Safety Seal Special Lube. Now I should note that I did dip the tip of the spiral probe previously. Now that's all we're going to do again with our split eye needle. Just dip the tip, a little dab will do you. There we go. And then it's in, we're going to give it a quarter turn. We're just going to give it a big yank out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Now you have a plug tire. So there you have it. That's a 4-inch string plug installed. It took maybe total of 3-4 minutes of actual work. Pretty quick, pretty easy, very safe. So no matter who you are, what you drive, Tire Supply Network has the Safety Seal Emergency Puncture Kit for you. And you can pick yours up at tiresupply.network.com today. I'm Chris. Thank you so much for watching.